Tonight, we go back to 1912. I will be right here 5 minutes before impact. Initiating temporal displacement. I made it. It's freezing.
Down below, the Titanic's beating heart.
The conversations were muffled, but the tension was palpable.
Echoing footsteps on linoleum tiles.
It was like I saw Rose and Jack.
Time is running out. 20 minutes to impact. I have to be at the bow. Crossing into forbidden territory. The wind is brutal here. I'm walking towards destiny. The very tip of the ship. Aye! I am standing on the prow of the Titanic. The world is at my feet.
A tiny speck on a leviathan of steel. Unsinkable, they said.
Fleet and Lee, up in the nest. They don't have binoculars. A fatal mistake.
The sea is like glass. No breaking water at the base of the iceberg. That's why they can't see it.
There, do you see it? That black mass blocking the stars. It's the iceberg.
They saw it too late. Too late, gentlemen, too late. Prepare for collision. Look at its size. An iceberg.
The turning radius is very wide. It will scrape.
Wow, ice. It's raining ice. The rivets are bursting. I can hear the steel screaming.
It's over. This piece of ice just killed 1,500 people. The ship is doomed.
Look at them playing soccer with the ice. They think it's a joke. They don't know the pumps are already failing. The steam. They're venting the boilers to prevent an explosion. It's deafening.
CQD is being sent. A new signal SOS will be sent soon. A distress call that will not come.
There's the flare. To see its reflection in those terrified eyes. Chilling.
Look at that boat. Half of it is empty. It could fit 6 people, but there are only 28.
The orchestra. They really played. It wasn't a legend. They play to maintain order, to calm things down.
Nearer, my God, to thee. This is the end.
I'm on E deck. The ocean is coming inside. It's cold, deathly cold. Retreat! Retreat! Move slowly! The lifeboats will capsize! Gunshots! Order is breaking down. It's every man for himself now.
The dome. It's giving way. The water is taking the staircase.
The angle is 30 degrees. I can't stand up. We're sliding.
The lights, they're gone. We are in total darkness.
Captain, going down with his ship. He looks paralyzed by shock.
Watch out! The funnel is collapsing. Run! It's breaking. The keel is snapping. The ship is tearing in half. That's it. Now I must time travel, or I will die with them. 3, 2, 1. Eck. Whoa. Cough. Cough. I'm back. I'm alive. The cold, it's still in my bones.
I brought proof. The final dinner menu. April 14th. Uploading the footage. The world needs to see the truth. Not the movie, but the reality. Time travel is dangerous. Not because of physics, but because of heartbreak. Last recording.